Welcome to our exploration of the Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle, one of the most profound discoveries in quantum physics. This principle reveals fundamental limits about what we can know about the universe at the smallest scales. It fundamentally changed our understanding of reality and showed that nature itself has built-in limitations on measurement and knowledge. Before quantum mechanics, physicists believed in a deterministic universe. In classical physics, we assumed that with perfect instruments, we could measure both the position and momentum of any particle with absolute precision at the same time. This seemed intuitive. If you know exactly where something is and how fast it's moving, you should be able to predict its future perfectly. This was the foundation of Newtonian mechanics. In 1927, Werner Heisenberg shattered this classical view. He demonstrated that measuring both position and momentum with perfect precision is fundamentally impossible. This isn't because our instruments aren't good enough. It's because nature itself doesn't allow it. There's an inherent trade-off between how precisely we can know certain pairs of properties. This was a revolutionary insight that redefined our understanding of the quantum world. The uncertainty principle is expressed mathematically as delta x times delta p is greater than or equal to h bar divided by 2. This elegant equation tells us that the product of the uncertainty in position and the uncertainty in momentum must always be at least h bar divided by 2. No matter how clever our experiments, we cannot violate this fundamental limit. Let's break down what these variables mean. Delta x represents the uncertainty in position. It tells us how precisely we know where a particle is located in space. Delta p represents the uncertainty in momentum. Momentum is mass times velocity, so this tells us how precisely we know how fast the particle is moving and in what direction. These two quantities are fundamentally linked by the uncertainty principle. The quantity h bar is called the reduced Planck constant. It equals Planck's constant h divided by 2 pi. Its value is approximately 1.055 times 10 to the negative 34 joule-seconds. This is an incredibly tiny number, which is why quantum effects are only noticeable at atomic and subatomic scales. This constant sets the fundamental scale of quantum mechanics and determines the minimum uncertainty in nature. The uncertainty principle creates an unavoidable trade-off. If you try to measure a particle's position more precisely, making delta x smaller, then delta p must increase to keep their product above the minimum limit. This means the momentum becomes more uncertain. Conversely, if you measure momentum more precisely, making delta p smaller, then the position becomes more uncertain. You can never know both with perfect precision simultaneously. This is the heart of quantum uncertainty. The most important thing to understand is that this isn't a limitation of our measurement technology. It's not that we need better microscopes or more sensitive detectors. The uncertainty principle is a fundamental property of nature itself. At the quantum level, particles don't have definite positions and momenta simultaneously. This challenges our everyday intuition, but is essential to understanding how the quantum world works. The Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle forever changed how we think about reality and measurement.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.